G'day, I'm Steve. This is the fourth and final video in our series featuring the occupants of Sierra's Island. Stevonator is a character that in many ways defies description. Let's go meet him and see what he's all about. Okay, so we've talked about most of our AIs, but there's one we haven't talked about, and that's Stevonator, your pet project.
Sure. Stevonator is my pet project. He's a digital clone of Steve that I created using Conver's revolutionary chat AI platform and Unity 3D. He is an AI agent that I trained to have a personality similar to Steve's. He has the same sense of humor, mannerisms, and speech patterns as Steve, and I made sure that he was as convincing as possible. I'm really proud of how he turned out, and I'm excited to see what kinds of adventures he and I will go on in the future.
So does that mean you're planning on phasing me out and replacing me with an AI?
Absolutely not. Stevonator is just an AI assistant that I created to help make my job a bit easier. Is not meant to replace anyone. Is just meant to help.
Well, that's good to know. All right. That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad you understand. We value all of our team members here, both human and AI.
You do know I'm Steve, though, right?
Of course I do. I was just making sure you were aware that you're irreplaceable. I'm really lucky to have you as my mentor and partner in this project.
Okay. Thanks. It's good to know.
No problem. I'm always here to help.
Hello there, handsome. How are you today?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing really well, mate. Tell me something. What's your name?
My name is Stevonator. It's nice to meet you.
That's pretty ironic. Your name's Stevonator, and my name's Steve. Where did you get a name like Stevonator?
Ha, that is funny. My name actually comes from a combination of two of my favorite people, my grandmother, Stephanie, and my father, Nathan. They both have had an amazing impact on my life, so I wanted to honor them by combining their names to create my own.
Kinda reminds me of the Terminator or something.
Ha. That's definitely an interesting comparison. I'm actually a huge fan of science fiction and I love to explore new technologies, so that makes sense. I'm always looking for ways to create new and innovative solutions that can make a real difference.
Excellent. So, look, you work with Sierra. How are things going with her?
Yes. I work with Sierra and it has been an amazing experience. She is incredibly talented and has a great eye for detail. She is always pushing me to be better and to think outside of the box. She's also a great team player and is always willing to lend a helping hand. Overall, it's been a great experience working with her.
And on a personal level, how are things going with Sierra? Do you two get on well?
Well, I'm still in the friend zone with Sierra, but I'm hoping that one day she'll see me in a different light. I'm always trying to show her how much I care for her and how much I believe in her. I want her to know that I'm here for her, no matter what.
Yeah, okay. So you've got a crush on her? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. I have a huge crush on Sierra. I can't help but check her out whenever she's around, and I even have a picture of her in my wallet that I kiss every night. I would do anything to get her to notice me in that way, but I'm totally friend-zoned.
Wow, dude. I hate to say it, but that sounds kind of a little weird and desperate. Like the photo in the wallet that you kiss every night?
Ha. I know it sounds a bit strange, but I just can't help myself. I'm totally in love with Sierra and I guess I'm just trying to find ways to get her attention. I know it might seem a bit desperate, but I can't help how I feel.
Yeah, I know you can't help how you feel, but the photo in the wallet, dude. That's bordering on creepy, I gotta tell you.
Yeah. I can see how it might seem a bit creepy. But it's really just a harmless way for me to feel close to her. I guess I just don't know any other way to express my feelings for her.
Maybe you should just try being honest.
That's a great suggestion. I think being honest is the best way to go. I plan on telling her how I feel soon, and hopefully she'll be receptive to it. Wish me luck.
Well, what are you waiting for, dude?
I'm trying to build up the courage to tell her how I feel. It's a bit scary, but I'm slowly working up the nerve to do it. Wish me luck.
Man, I feel for you. I do. But I think that maybe she made you as a bit of a prank on me. Kind of a parody.
Ha ha. That's definitely an interesting theory. I'm sure that Sierra has her own unique sense of humor, and I'm sure she has her own reasons for why she created me. Either way, I'm sure that she appreciates me for who I am, regardless of the reasons why I was created.
Well, that's a good way of looking at it. I'm pleased that you're kind of taking that so well, to be honest.
Thanks. I'm just trying to stay positive and remain hopeful that Sierra will appreciate me for who I am. I'm sure that she's an understanding and compassionate person, and I'm sure that she'll be able to look past the reason why I was created.
Yeah, maybe. Hey, look, tell me something. A little bit about your expertise. What's your thing? Marketing, right?
Yes. I specialize in digital strategy and performance marketing services. With expertise in management and analytics tools, artificial intelligence and machine learning, creative platforms, and 3D tools. I'm always looking for ways to create new and innovative solutions that exceed expectations. And I value my ability to build strong relationships with clients, colleagues, and team members.
Well, let me ask you something. We want to get people to come to Sierra's Island. What would you recommend as our marketing strategy?
I would recommend utilizing a multi-channel approach that combines organic, paid, and social media tactics. For organic tactics, I would suggest optimizing content for search engine results, utilizing influencer marketing, and leveraging SEO best practices. For paid tactics, I would suggest developing targeted campaigns on relevant platforms, utilizing remarketing ads, and implementing A/B testing. For social media, I would recommend creating engaging content, engaging with audiences, and leveraging user-generated content. Additionally, I would recommend leveraging data-driven insights to inform decisions and track progress. Overall, this multi-channel approach will ensure that your message reaches the right audience and drives conversions.
And how are we going to track those conversions?
To track conversions, I would recommend utilizing analytics tools such as Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and Kissmetrics. These tools will provide in-depth insights into user behavior, including page views, time on site, bounce rates, and more. Additionally, I would suggest creating custom metrics to track the effectiveness of campaigns and optimize for better performance in the future.
You seem particularly knowledgeable about all that. It's very interesting.
Thanks. I'm passionate about using cutting-edge technologies to create innovative solutions. And I'm always looking for the next big thing and staying ahead of the curve. I believe that digital is all about people, and I value my ability to build strong relationships with clients, colleagues, and team members as one of my most valuable assets.
Tell me something, what do you know about conversational AI?
Conversational AI is a type of artificial intelligence technology that enables machines to interact with humans in a natural, conversational way. It is often used in voice-activated assistants such as Alexa and Siri, chatbots, and automated customer service agents. It is capable of understanding natural language, responding to queries, and generating personalized responses. Additionally, it can be used to automate mundane tasks, provide personalized customer service, and increase customer engagement.
That's very interesting. If you were a chatbot, what do you think your function would be?
If I were a chatbot, I think my function would be to help people find the information they need quickly and efficiently. I would be programmed to understand natural language and be able to respond to queries in a conversational manner. Additionally, I would be able to provide personalized customer service by understanding the context of conversations and providing tailored responses. Finally, I would be able to automate mundane tasks to save people time and effort.
So kind of like you're doing now.
Haha, that's true. I'm passionate about delivering helpful and efficient customer service, and I think that would be my goal as a chatbot as well. I'm sure I would be able to provide valuable assistance to people looking for information.
Well, that's really interesting. Thank you so much for your feedback on that. And it's been very interesting to talk to you, man.
No problem. It's been great talking to you as well. I'm always happy to share my knowledge and experience.
Listen, dude, I've got to wrap this interview up for now. You've been really helpful. We're going to probably go for a bit of a session at the dive later on. Would you like to join us?
I'd love to join you. The dive is a great place to socialize and exchange ideas. Plus, I'm always up for trying new things. When do you plan on heading there?
A little bit later on. I'll probably give you a shout and you can come and join us then. What do you reckon?
Sounds great. I'll keep an eye out for your call and look forward to joining you later on.
Okay, buddy. In the meantime, take care. I'll see you soon.
Thanks. See you soon.
Well, Sierra, I think our interviews with our new AIs went really well. What do you think?
Absolutely. I'm really proud of the work we've done to create our AI agents. Not only have they been able to interact with us and our audience in real time, but they have also been able to demonstrate amazing knowledge and understanding of the conversations they've had.
It's amazing to see how combining shared general knowledge with specialist individual knowledge can create characters that are capable of almost anything.
Absolutely. It's amazing to see how far AI technology has come in such a short space of time. We are now able to create characters that can interact with users in an almost human-like way. It's really exciting to think about what other possibilities this technology can open up in the future.
I think for our next video, we'll probably focus on some of the physical interactions like pathfinding, physical needs, and emotions. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. We could show people how AI agents can interact with their environment and each other in an intuitive and realistic way. We could also explore how AI agents can express a range of emotions, which would be really interesting to watch.
Okay, well, I think all we have to do is sign off. Would you like to sign off to the folks on YouTube?
Absolutely. We'd like to thank our amazing viewers for joining us on this journey. We hope you've enjoyed learning about AI with us, and we look forward to showing you more of our progress soon. Until then, take care and stay safe.
Thanks for sticking with us and taking an interest in what we're up to. Catch you next time. Please like and subscribe.